15 professional car detailing and cleaning secrets. Only car detailers. No, car detailing is an art that goes beyond a simple wash and wax. Professional detailers have a treasure trove of tricks to make vehicles look showroom new. Welcome to Auto V Fix, our YouTube channel exclusively dedicated to all things automotive. Here are 15 insider secrets that can help you achieve professional-level results at home. One, harness the power of steam cleaning. Steam cleaners are a detailer's secret weapon. They're chemical-free and incredibly effective on various surfaces, from car paint to carpets. A good steam cleaner, like the Wagner model, can remove stubborn substances such as gum, Play-Doh, and food residues. It's particularly useful for cleaning hard-to-reach areas that traditional methods might miss. 2. Disassemble for deep cleaning. Don't be afraid to take your car apart for a thorough clean. Many modern vehicles are designed for easy assembly and disassembly. Remove seats or center consoles to access areas that are typically neglected. This allows for a more comprehensive clean and can make your car feel brand new. 3. Don't overlook commonly missed areas. Pay attention to often forgotten spots like door frames, under the hood, trunk lid, and gas cap cover. These areas accumulate dirt and grime over time, which can lead to rust and other issues if left uncleaned. Regular attention to these spots can significantly extend your car's lifespan. 4. Utilize a drill brush for efficiency. A drill brush is a game changer in car detailing. It's excellent for scrubbing carpets, seats, and plastic panels. This tool not only speeds up the cleaning process, but also provides a deeper clean compared to manual scrubbing. It's a worthwhile investment for any car enthusiast. 5. Restore plastic trim. Over time, plastic trim can fade and lose its luster. Use a specialized trim restoration product to bring back its original color and shine. This simple step can dramatically improve your car's overall appearance, making it look years younger. 6. Proper leather care. For cars with leather interiors, proper care is crucial. Clean leather seats with a detailing brush, then apply a high-quality leather conditioner. This two-step process keeps the leather pliable, prevents cracking, and maintains its shine and durability. 7. Don't forget the seat belts. Seat belts are often overlooked in the cleaning process. Use an all-purpose cleaner and a brush to remove accumulated dirt and oils. For heavily soiled belts, a steam cleaner can be particularly effective, restoring them to like-new condition. 8. Clean under the seats. The area under car seats is a common hiding spot for dirt and debris. Remove the seats if possible to thoroughly clean these often neglected areas. This is particularly important when detailing a used car for the first time. 9. Maintain your key fob. Your car key or key fob deserves attention too. Regularly clean it with an all-purpose cleaner and a microfiber towel. For a deeper clean, you can even disassemble it carefully to reach all the nooks and crannies. 10. Don't neglect the spare tire. Well, check and clean the area around your spare tire. This space often collects dirt and can even fill with water if drain tubes are clogged. While you're at it, ensure your spare tire is in good condition and properly inflated. 11. Vacuum seams before conditioning. Before applying any leather conditioner, vacuum the seams of your seats. This prevents dirt from spreading across the seat surface during the cleaning and conditioning process, ensuring a truly clean result. 12. Polish exhaust tips and chrome. For that finishing touch, polish your exhaust tips and chrome components. A product like Mother's Polishing Compound can work wonders, adding shine and protection to these often overlooked areas. 13. Be mindful of overspray. When using cleaning chemicals, be cautious of overspray. Use a piece of cardboard as a shield to protect areas you don't want to spray. This simple trick can prevent accidental damage and save you time in the long run. 14. Invest in a pet hairbrush. For car owners with furry friends, a pet hairbrush is invaluable. It's highly effective at removing pet hair and loose fibers from carpets and seats, making it an essential tool in any detailer's arsenal. 15. Establish a detailing routine. Whether you're detailing professionally or for personal use, establishing a routine is key. A systematic approach ensures that no area is overlooked and allows you to work efficiently. Develop a step-by-step process and stick to it for consistent professional results. In conclusion, these professional secrets can help you achieve amazing results with your car's appearance. Remember, detailing is as much about technique and patience as it is about products. Take your time, work methodically, and don't be afraid to invest in quality tools and products. With practice, you'll be achieving professional-level results in no time. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more in-depth automotive content, and hit that notification bell. Drop your comments below if you have any questions, or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in future videos. Until next time, happy driving!